Alright everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Minecraft 4 challenge from Hack the Web. Let's read what we need to do in this challenge. So it says, yesterday I was randomly invited to a hacker group and then kicked out again. Pretty crazy. In those minutes I was able to read an interesting conversation. Okay, so the conversation goes, you were added to the group by A. Okay, we're all here now, so what's the plan? Let's hack a YouTube channel. That'll be pretty funny. Any specific suggestions? Do you guys know the Minecraft guy with the white mask and the striped sweater? He's been inactive for a while, so he'd be a good target. Yeah, I know him. It's an older account, probably even without 2FA. Sounds good. What do you say, D? Oh, I added the wrong person, and then they kick you out of the group. So if we can find out the name of the channel, we can send a warning. Your answer is the name of the YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with Minecraft, this character gallery will help you. So let's, okay, so what's going on in this challenge? So this is Hack the Web Minecraft 4. In this challenge, we're asked to identify a Minecraft YouTube creator based on the description. So based on the description, we could look at the character gallery link provided and find the correct creator name. So I previously tried to ask a chatbot to identify who the Minecraft creator might be in this case, and the chatbot was never able to get the correct answer. So it's actually very critical that you use the character gallery to identify the correct YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel, we just need to identify which figure in these avatars here has the white mask and the striped sweater. So they're not, I mean, there's a lot of different creators over here. I think it's this one right here. So the name of the channel is German Let's Play. German Let's Play. So the avatar has a striped sweater and it's got the white mask. And I tried looking up this creator on YouTube afterwards. So youtube.com German Let's Play. This one right here. It's a pretty big German Let's Play, like a video gaming channel. And they've got some really popular videos. So their most popular video is 12 million views, but it looks like the channel hasn't been updated in a while. So the last update was over a year ago. Anyways, so the answer for this particular challenge is German Let's Play. And then click on Go. And German Let's Play is correct. All right, so we were able to identify a particular content creator based on their description. This was a guided walkthrough for the Minecraft 4 challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe videos. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.